All right, here we go. Last exam to grade for the entire year. Very exciting. Last exam for you guys to correct for the entire year, so we're almost done. It's very great. Let's get the answer key done. I'm going to be referencing the notes from earlier, and let's get moving. I will do them one at a time, though, so you can skip through to ones that you need. All right, here we go. And let's get this set up. Here we go. We have our trusty notes right here from earlier and 5 million colors of pens. I was really enjoying using the blue. All right, for the answer key. Can you see? Great. Here we go. Please make sure you answer all parts of the following questions for credit. Number 1. Identify. Thank goodness explain is not in there. The part of the communication system in the following examples. A certain component, hint, hint, in a communication system receives a signal and converts it or changes, this is a fancy way to say change, changes it to a digital data stream. We know what digital is. What part of the system is it? All right, so what we want to do is reference our trusty communication system notes. Let me just pop them out of the binder and make sure we make the identification. Here we go. Which one of these is receiving and converting? All right, you see here, receiving is getting the message, converting is decoding or reading the message. All right, and this could be both parts. So I will take either receiver or decoder. All right, I'm pretty sure they're looking for decoder, but I'm not going to be super upset. This is going to be worth 1 point. We're going to make this a 4-point question for all of number 1. It's pretty low level. A student removes a 64 gigabyte flash drive, so that's one of those thumb drives that goes in the USB port of the computer. What part of the system is it? Guess what? I'm not going to hold you accountable for this. This is something that hangs on to the message or the storage device, so this will be extra credit. This is an example of how information is stored, and the nice thing about that is most of the time it says it's storing, or you know enough to know that it's keeping the message. So anytime you hear storage or keeping, that is going to be the message. The last part here, identify, again, not explaining. We're looking for encoder in this system, and this is just an example system. In the early 20th century, a person in Boston, Massachusetts who wanted to send a message to someone in San Francisco gave the message to a telegraph operator. The operator tapped the message in Morse code, and the message was relayed through the electrical cables to San Francisco. In San Francisco, an operator translated the signal into English and had it delivered to the address specified. All right, so you can actually do a whole bunch of fun things here, or you can just be very lazy and go straight to encoding. The key word here for encoding is writing the message. In this system, the person that's writing the message is the telegraph operator, and he is tapping the message in Morse code, and the message was relayed. Okay, so that is all you really need to do there. I think I'm going to make this a 2-pointer, and this right here is a 2-pointer. All right, so there are your 2 points. You also have an extra credit opportunity if you were able to pull storage out of your memory bank. That's it. That's all for number 1. It was very easy.